look super nice, don't get me wrong, but we can't possibly take in all of them.
Oh, you're right.
Good.
We'll just keep a few.
Hey, I'll tell you what. Why don't you puppies go see Captain Snowball? He lives to help animals. Good guy. Crazy, but a good guy.
He's just down the hall that way.
By the way, it's your turn.
Okay. Whoa.
I'm gonna win.
Oh, this is too stressful. Can't we play biscuit checkers or tic-tac-toe?
You're not getting in the queue. Luckily for you puppies, there's an adoption event happening right now at the pet store just a few blocks away. But we gotta hurry. Adoption day is almost over. Plus, if I'm being totally honest, I do not have the greatest attention span. This thing goes on for more than like another 20 minutes. I'm gonna get bored and zone out. Okay, back to the plan. This is a map of the city. Believe it or not, I drew it myself. Okay, look, it's a little abstract, but the point is, that's me. That's you. That's the pet store. Now, I've made it my personal mission to get all of you stray puppy dogs adopted, and I will not let you down. And then I'm going to frame this, because this is a work of art. Now, keep going this way. We're going to sneak through the building storage area. If anyone discovers you, it's all over. Don't worry. Everybody will be
Yep. All right, done.
And in dog years, that's even less time.
Follow me, guys. I've yet to lose a single puppy. Don't be jealous. Some of us get boxes. Some of us get super cool high-tech drugs. Come on. Go down and start out. Don't worry. There's a danger. My brain senses are off.
Oh, God, yeah, this way and that. Oh, my
It's just cat.
No. Okay, good one, guys. Let me go.
myself to a rock. These rockets on this
This plan was crazy. It shouldn't work.
This is gonna be great. You're gonna be all clean and fluffy, and you're gonna get adopted in no time.
collapses will resume motion control. All vehicles will be resuming motion momentarily. Please remain seated with arms and legs inside the vehicle.
Oh,
Really cute.
I love them so much already. What do you think?
Let's do it.
I promise you next time. So much fun. But just a heads up, okay? You let me watch the walk.
You love me. I just get next homies. That's all I do. You're welcome.
Ooh, what fun! Let's all do it again. I am so happy for you.
Welcome home. As you return, please lift your arms and your lap bar will raise automatically.